Okay, in this particular video, we're talking about how the atoms work. Atoms are man-made. They are not the core of whatever you were taught. They are working by bonding clusters of particles that have another bonded cluster of particles orbiting, and that's how that works. That is going to be used to be made under the electron microscope. This will be done to make a atomic spaceship as parts, if that's something that the government wants, or a government in the UN, um, or a atomic space drone. That's why we'll make an atomic space drone, which we know how to do now, since all rockets are largely going to the moon using atomic arsenals, and we'll make an atomic space drone just to see if they can get us off the ground on that. And that's about it. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us on Google. Thanks, bye.